I've been working on my grandfather clock that I picked up in Kentucky here a while back. I had to put 3 bushings in it using the same method as I show you on my YouTube channel. It's ticking away. Trip the alarm bell chimes here. It's nice and loud, but this clock has got the one chain system on it, just like my Wuba Dutch clock. It has counterweight down here at the bottom, but it's one continuous chain, and it's wrapped in the exact same manner as my Dutch Wuba clock. So in that video, I show you how it's connected. But I'm gonna leave it running here for a little bit, another day or so, to make sure it's continuing to, and then put it back in the case. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.